What's going on, YouTube? So, today, in the mail, besides getting some other things, got this. What we have here is a MHL to HDMI media adapter. Specifically, it's for the Galaxy Note 2, Sprint Galaxy S3, any S3s, S4s, for Galaxy S5, right? So this little thing was like, I believe like $9 from a US seller off eBay, and you can get them from China for like $3-4, same exact ones, but except you gotta wait about a month. Now what this does is, this makes it so you can connect your phone to your TV. So if you got a flat panel TV or anything that will take HDMI, you can hook this up there and plug your phone right into it. So that way you can mirror your phone. Now we're going to open this up, and then I'm going to hook it up to my TV, and we're going to see how good this thing does. Now what it does is it just mirrors your phone. So I like to watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I also like to watch, a lot of Netflix, movies that I shoot, videos. So yeah, you can do all of that with this. Now what's nice with this kit is I believe that you can charge your phone as well. I know they make other ones that are just straight HDMI and micro USB, right? But I wanted to be able to plug it into a charger as well. So what I'll probably do is I'll either plug this right into the wall, or I'll plug this into the back of my TV. Now the cord's only like a 6-foot cord, but I guess if you wanted to, you can either hook up some kind of Bluetooth plug, like transmitter, then you can Bluetooth from your phone, or you can just go ahead and you can probably buy, and you can, an HDMI extender of various lengths. Now, not a lot of room here. Oh, look at that. See? It ain't. That's only what? About 1 foot, 18 inches. So I'll probably plug both of those in the back of my TV. And then, yeah, got a 6-foot cord. Alright, well, we're going to go ahead and hook this up real quick. See if I can prop you guys up here. I know you ain't want to watch or see my ass, but we'll get it going. We'll just connect it really quick here. I know there's a HDMI on the side. Maybe they're right. Oh, a lot harder. Well, simple enough. Before we put it back, we'll turn it on here. And we're going to plug it in to the bottom of my phone here. What I'm using to shoot on right now is a Samsung Galaxy S5. So see what's going on. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that shit. Ooh, and if you turn your phone sideways, should take up the whole screen. It's not taking up the whole screen though. Well, I guess we're gonna have to play with it. Either way, so that's how this thing works. Guess we'll watch some videos now and see how it goes. Simple as that. $10. Hey, we watching Netflix tonight. Alright, well, comment, like, subscribe, share your videos. I subscribe back. I love to talk, so if you have any tips or any things that make your life easier, let me know. Because we all love gadgets, right? Alright, y'all. Check you later. Peace out, YouTubers.